Though commonly thought to be a vegetable, it is actually a fruit. It's high in beneficial nutrients as well as certain plant compounds and antioxidants that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. Also, it is low in calories and contains a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. Hello and welcome back to Event Health. In today's video, we will look at important health benefits of cucumber, including hydration, diabetes, and bone health. Cucumbers come in three various varieties. These are slicing, pickling, and seedless cucumbers. Also, there exist a lot of types, including snack cucumbers, Japanese cucumbers, lemon, and Persian cucumbers. They grow well under sunny conditions where the soil is well drained, raised into beds, and has a pH of between 6 to 7. That is mainly common in salad dishes. The cosmetics industry also makes use of cucumbers in manufacturing soaps, facial products, including creams and lotions. There are also various ways of extracting the minerals from cucumbers. For instance, you can simply slice them and eat them alone. You can include them in various salad dishes, or you can use them to make cucumber water. A cucumber brings with it a lot of advantages. And the good thing about this fruit is that it's very easy to add into your diet. Thus, it allows you to enjoy its benefits without having to go through a lot of trouble. Let's start with something very obvious. Number 1, it has many nutrients. Cucumber contains a lot of nutrients which can prove to be beneficial for good health. Some of the nutrients are carbs, proteins, fiber, potassium, magnesium, and manganese. Besides, cucumbers are a good source of vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin K. Above all these nutrients, cucumbers also contain very large water quantities. Number 2, it is a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants highly reduce functionality of free radicals by hindering oxidation. Free radicals hurt your body and they can cause chronic infections and oxidative stress. Free radicals also increase the risk of acquiring various cancers, lung infections, and heart problems. Examples of antioxidants you can find in cucumbers include flavonoids and tannins. Number 3, reduces diabetic risk. The fact that cucumber can help to reduce diabetes risk is supported by its ability to reduce excess blood sugar significantly. Thus, cucumbers can be implemented into diets of people who are trying to control diabetes. The high content water property of cucumber gives it the ability to rehydrate blood and wash away any excess blood sugar. This will help in maintaining the correct amount of blood sugar at all the time. Number 4, good for weight loss. Cucumber has a very lesser calories compared to other foods. Therefore, this attribute enables you to eat as many cucumbers as you please without having to worry about losing shape. Also, you can use their good taste to your advantage by including them in salads. Hence, this will encourage you to consume more of your healthy salad dishes and less of the unhealthy food. The fact that cucumbers comprise of water means that they are good for weight loss. Number 5, increases hydration. It is a fact that water is a crucial necessity for the body. When your body gets enough water, it results in general improvement of your physical health. Being well hydrated enables you to reduce mouth odor and mouth diseases, improves the amount of your blood, and stretches to improving digestion and enabling the wash away of waste. Cucumbers can help you increase the amount of water you take. This is because it's made up of 96% water aside from other benefits. Hence, as you get to enjoy your cucumber, you also reduce dehydration. Number 6, encourages regularity. By eating cucumbers, you can improve your bowel movements. The high water content in cucumbers allows you to avoid constipation by fully hydrating your body and ensuring that waste products are washed out at the right consistency. This also improves the regularity of your bowel movements. Besides, cucumbers are a good source of pectin fiber which helps in improving digestion, thus improving regularity. Number 7, it improves bone health. Cucumber is a good source of vitamin K which also assists in improving your bones. Besides, cucumbers also contain certain calcium percentage which allows you to maintain strong bones. Therefore, the presence of these nutrients significantly improves bone health. Number 8, decreases cancer risks. Cucumbers contain a special composition known as cucurbitacin. Cucumber hinders the reproduction of cancer cells. The fiber from cucumbers also help in reducing the risk of attaining colorectal cancer. Cucumbers contain various nutrients including potassium, fiber, calcium, magnesium, manganese, iron, phosphorus, and sodium. Also, cucumbers are rich in vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Cucumbers also contain folate, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Research shows that a 300-gram cucumber contains 45 calories. In addition, the lignans that are found in cucumber decreases the cancer risks and cardiovascular infections. It is recommended to watch the number of cucumbers you eat, as eating too much could result in a negative impact on how your blood clots. The recommended amount to consume is 90 micrograms and 120 micrograms per day for females and males respectively. Also, it is highly recommended for people under warfarin medication to see their doctor first before including cucumbers in their daily diet. Some cucumbers can prove to be hard to digest. Therefore, it is very crucial to be aware of certain cucumber types and stick to cucumber fruits that you know are edible. In conclusion, other benefits of cucumber include improved skin health and anti-inflammatory capabilities, and thus, a cucumber is a great fruit to include in your diet. Above all, you may have many ways in which you can include it. For example, you can blend it to make cucumber juice, you can slice it and add water and mint leaves, or you can mix your cucumber with mint, garlic, and yogurt to consume it with a curry. So, do you include this amazing fruit into your diet? If so, tell us how in the comment section below. We would love to hear it from you. Enjoyed this video? Like, share, and subscribe to Event Health. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Namaste.